Have you ever had that feeling when time is moving so fast, you don't know where the day's gone? You blink your eyes and then the week is over. But before you know it, you will end up losing another year of making your dreams a reality. So if you're looking to change your life, let's look at 5 things you can start doing straight away. Set clear goals. We've all set goals at least once in our life. But when life gets busy, we end up forgetting about them, or we don't see the results, therefore we lose the motivation to carry on. So you end up thinking goal setting is a waste of time. But what if I told you goal setting wasn't the problem, it was actually the process? Your goals must have specific information so your brain knows what it has to do to get what you want. It's no point saying you want to be rich, you want to lose weight, you want to be a footballer. Therefore, when you set goals, you need to implement these 4 things. You have to be really specific on what you want. You have to set a time frame when you want to achieve it. You have to work on your goals every day. You have to visualize but also repeat your goals once in the morning but also once at night. The more specific you are, the easier it'll be for you to achieve your goals. By having a time frame, it'll make you push harder. By reminding yourself of your goals every day will keep you on track. Now you guys might be thinking, this guy doesn't know what I'm going through or the struggles that I'm experiencing. That may be true, but let me tell you one thing. I left school with 3 GCSEs. That means I should have been working a normal job with no prospects. But I'm earning 4 times what the average person would earn in a week. So if you want to earn money, be very specific on that figure. If you want to lose weight, same again, same principle, be very specific on that figure. If you want a new job, say what role, say what company, say what position. If you want to be more confident, do you want to be more confident talking to people, or do you want to look more confident? You gotta be very specific on your goals. I'd also recommend you reading the book Think Rich and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. This will definitely help to reset your brain. Get organized. For years, I relied on my memory to manage my life because I thought planning was a waste of time. In my head, I thought if I spend 1 hour planning, that is time wasted where I could be working. But I also did think planning was for losers. But what I didn't realize, planning makes you more efficient. By spending 1 hour a week, you can end up saving a lot more time. That's why I plan my whole week. What time I'm going to wake up, what time I'm going to have breakfast, what time I'm going to eat my vitamins, what time I'm going to have my dinner, what time I'm going to go to the gym, what I'm going to train in the gym, what time I'm going to go sleep. Planning my week has taken out the need for me to think about these small, non-important decisions. Therefore, I don't suffer with any mental fatigue during the week. So if you're always feeling mentally drained or always feeling everything is getting on top of you, you should definitely consider planning your week. This will save your brain's energy, but it'll also help when you need to make those big important decisions. You may already know this, but our brains have a small amount of finite energy, which we use throughout the day to make decisions. But if we waste this energy on non-important decisions, by the end of the day, we are exhausted. So take 1 day out of your week, spend 60 minutes planning your week so you waste no more time. Improve your health. Your health is so important. If you have good health, you can do anything. I've worked with people who have had brain injuries but also born with disabilities. Therefore, I know how important health is. I'm not just talking about looking after your physical health, but I'm also talking about your mental health. Stress is one of the biggest killers in men. It not only increases your chances of long-term sickness, it also increases the chances of certain health conditions. So make sure you take time out of your day to look after your health. This can be going to the gym, improving your diet, just spending time relaxing, just spending 5 minutes breathing properly. Taking small little actions like this will have long-term benefits on your life. It will not only improve your mood, it will also improve your health. Take some time to think about what you're consuming. Now, I'm not saying give up chocolate or give up takeaways, but just pay a little bit more conscious effort to what you're putting inside your body. Remember, food is there to fuel you. When you have good health, you can do anything. So make sure you spend some time investing into your health. Stop waiting for help. Last year, I went to Dubai to set up a business with my friend. Now, at that time, when he invited me to come round, things weren't going too good for me. I already had tried a few things, but they had fallen through. Now, when he invited me to come out to Dubai to work with him, I did think in the back of my mind, this sounds too good to be true. The first 2 weeks were pretty good. Then after that, I started to notice a few things. A few things were said by him, but also done by him, which made me question what's going on. So I had a conversation with him about the business. He flew off the handle, but also showed his true colors. The fact is, no one helps you in this world. 50 Cent said, always appear to not need anything, because no one does you a favor when you need one. Therefore, if you're waiting for someone to help you, or you're waiting on someone's promise, got some bad news, guys, it probably won't come. But you can control what you do. So get up, but also get to work. You're more capable than you think. Be prepared to fail. Failure hits hard. When I set up my first business, I lost £15,000. It took me, I think, 10 years to pay that loan back. Every month when I had to make those repayments, it reminded me of my failures. But I got some very valuable lessons from that failure that are helping me today. When you fail, all you can think of is the negatives, but you will get some really valuable lessons from that failure if you're willing to learn. That's why you should never look at failures as a negative, because you can gain so many valuable experiences. The fact that you've taken the risk to try something just shows your character. I've removed the word failure from my life. I just see valuable experiences that I've had in the past, but I also take time to learn but also reflect on them. Edison, who invented the light bulb, failed over 10,000 times. Michael Jordan was cut from his school basketball team. Every great person has failed in their life. So don't take your failures as a bad thing. Take them as experiences. Now, if you want to know some important lessons men learn too late in life, you might want to check this video out.